Hey guys, Dominique here. I am at Con Expo and the show is amazing. Let's go check it out. We've seen these trailers in Washington. They're starting to become more common. Flow Boy. What do you guys think? Should this be my next trailer?
How is that so big?
I think it might be kind of cool for paving.
There's your point.
Dump for the mini truck? I think it would look really good behind the mini truck. Probably a little over towing capacity. Little mini truck side dump trailer. It's a big off-road side dump. That is cool. They got a video of it. I like it. I work on my feet all day, and if you do too, you already know. The foot pain, the knees, the hips, and even your back by the end of the day. It's next level when you walk nonstop. I've tried different shoes, different boots, all of it. And no matter what, by the end of every single day, my feet would be killing me. So recently I switched it up and tried adding insoles instead. And I can report back that Orthoflex insoles honestly made a big difference in how my feet feel at the end of the day. Even after standing and walking all day, I did not feel like I needed to get my shoes off and put my feet up. What I like about them is that they are designed to provide extra support and cushioning right where you need it most. Instead of feeling like all that pressure is going straight into your heels and arches, the insoles help distribute that weight more evenly. So if you are someone that's constantly on their feet, these insoles are one small change that you can make. These insoles are one small change that make a big difference. You can use my code TRUCK20 for 20% off Orthoflex insoles. Click the link in the description and don't forget the code TRUCK20.
For 24 hours. 24 hours including this morning.
Look at all of them axles. I think that's what I want to get next as a side dump. Look at all them axles.
Hey Siri, record.
Hopefully. That's what we came over here for. We're gonna see the all-electric Peterbilt dump truck. Here's your plug. Lithium ion phosphate.
Iron.
Oh, that's iron.
Yeah, a whole nother degree. Scott, I'm working on this motherfucker. Bring this thing back in and be like, you got air code number 472, Scott.
Where are we? I want to know what it weighs.
Oh my gosh, I bet it weighs a ton. Rogue.
Like field regular.
Hi, Dominique.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. We need to know how much this thing weighs. You guys heard?
I haven't heard. I don't know if you can go through the menu or what. I don't know.
Maybe.
Will it let you?
Somebody's got to know.
Weighs twice as much as a diesel because it's a damn battery.
Right? Ugh. It's like really freaky.
They were in that truck at the factory.
Yeah.
And then it came out like a stand up getting hot.
This truck has the video mirrors, so they get these tiny little regular mirrors, and then they have video mirrors. And they're really freaky. Oh, C580. Here's the Kenworth C580. Very classic inside.
So these aren't planetaries yet on these episodes, right? They're still for 47,000 years. And what is like the rustic rock? One sounds like this one. It just depends.
So Edison couldn't bring their truck in, so they just brought a bunch of pictures. Some of these are really freaking cool, though. I think that the best looking one of all is right over here. You guys remember this photo?
Yeah, no, it would be Steve
That's what my new truck's gonna look like. Not obviously an Edison Speed Kenworth, but it'll look like that.
And if they gave him one of those, we got one.
Is that on the button?
Well, like Odom said, my name's Brandon with Elite Earthworks in Joplin, Missouri, and I'm just a one-man excavation company that specializes in all kinds of site work on new construction homes, with a little bit of commercial work and some utility work.
So what does that operation look like a typical work day, man? What you do? We're seeing some video here going in the background. So tell us what we're seeing and kind of what you do on a day-to-day basis.
Well, this particular job right here, I was actually just digging out for a small basement addition on there.
That was Brandon with Elite Earthworks. I'll link his YouTube channel down below. Or up here. Pretty fancy. Look at all your touch screens.
Just there.
That's pretty cool.